Hey guys, what's up? Here's a new video for you can follow along with. We're gonna go over 2 different combos to do on the heavy bag and a short little circuit to follow along with. So now if you don't have a heavy bag, no worries. You could shadow box these movements, but if you do shadow box it, just make sure you're focusing more on the rotations and the movements since you're not hitting anything. Now we don't want to go hard. We want to focus on movement, hand placement, and fluidity. Now if you do decide to shadow box, I want you to put your boxing gloves on. It'll put weight on your hands so you'll get more out of your workout. Okay? Each combo will be 2 minutes, 3 rounds. In between the rounds, we're going to do a short circuit, 2 exercises. That's going to be working out the shoulders and the legs. So the order will be combo, circuit, combo, circuit, combo, circuit. I'll put all that information at the end of the video as well. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get into it. Okay, so let's start off with moving around the bag. I want to see head movement, I want to see footwork. You're moving in and out. Set up the combo, move in, throw, and then move back out. What I don't want to see is you staying planted in one place, just hitting the bag. So we're going to go over the pocket. When you're in the pocket, you're in striking range, meaning you could hit the bag, but in return, the bag could hit you. So you want to be out the pocket from the start and then move your weight in the pocket. In the pocket, out the pocket. So for our first combo, we're going to throw a right hook to the body and make sure you're rotating. Turn your hips, turn everything at an angle, reset, and you're gonna roll forward. When you roll, you're making a U with your head basically. So you're gonna roll forward, throw a left hook to the body and the left hook to the head, and roll back out. Rotate, roll, rotate, rotate, and roll back. It's a full body workout, guys. Hook, roll, hook, slip, hook, and roll back. Okay, so here's round 1. We're gonna do 2 minutes straight of that same combo, which is a right hook to the body, roll forward, left hook to the body, slip, left hook to the head, and roll out. Remember, you wanna move in and out. Stay out the pocket until you set up that shot, step in, throw the combo, and step back out. Next combo, remember this is the full body motion, throwing a 1. As we throw our 2, we're gonna slip to our right. Remember when we slip, we want our left elbow to our right knee. Make sure the shoulder goes in and the head is out of the center. Now all of that weight should be on your back leg. This is loading up for your right cross. And then you shoot out with that 2. So time for round 2. Again, 1, 2, slip 2. That's a jab, cross, slip, cross. You want to move in and out, don't stay in the pocket. You want to throw it off your combo and step out the pocket. Last but not least, here's round 3. What we're doing is we're putting both combos together and making it one fluid combo. Make sure you keep that head moving. You're rotating, stepping in and out the pocket. You're throwing the 4 to the body, roll, 3 to the body, 3 to the head, roll out, finish with the 1, 2, slip 2. Now continue this for 2 minutes, guys. Work on your form, work on your hand placement, and make sure the combo is fluid. Throw feints, keep those hands moving, keep those feet moving, and keep that head moving. Okay, so for the circuits that we're gonna do, we're gonna work on our legs first. Each circuit is gonna be 45 seconds each. I want you to start with split jumps. Basically they're lunges, but you're jumping into alternating lunges. If you can't do split jumps, then just regular lunges are fine. Give yourself a 15-second break in between. And after we work our shoulders, I want you to give me a push-up into a shoulder tap. So you're gonna go down, up, tap one shoulder, down, up, tap the other shoulder, back and forth. After, give yourself about a minute break and go into the next round.